Hey, good evening. I'm Dan Fitzpatrick at StockMarketMentor.com, and it's Monday, March 16th. That's the day before St. Patrick's Day, which, as an Irishman, is a very sacred day for me. Look, we've got Edwards Lifesciences here. This is a stock that, first of all, you can see the pop here, almost 10%. And the reason is that the company announced that they'd achieved like good results for a heart valve implant that they're working on. This medical device company, and so probably going to get early FDA approval. So that's why the stock popped. But the reason I'm pointing this out to you is this is a stock that if you're a member, you already know this, and so none of this is going to be news to you. We have been following this stock for a while because it has been in this volatility squeeze. And I actually set a price alert that would flash when the stock started breaking out. And it's given us a couple false alerts a time or two before, but then of course it's a false alert because the stock doesn't break out and we follow it, and that's that. But then today, early on, the stock gaps up and continues to move, so we got a price alert on it, and I know a lot of members jumped on it. If you have not taken advantage of these price alerts, members, they're there for you. You get a copy of the video that I have, the video analysis, so it's not just some goofy price alert. It's a delivery to you of that section of the video where I discuss what to do. So this turned out to be a really good trade, and you're able to take advantage of it. If you're not a member of Stock Market Mentor, look, try it out. You get the first month on us, so at least try it out and see if you can't make some money on these alerts. But if you're not, what do? I think Edwards Lifesciences still has room to go. It's had a big move here, but just look at the pattern. Okay, it's a long bull pattern, but over the past umpteen, weeks or months, the stock's been consolidating sideways. Okay, so this has more upside. This is not an exhaustion gap. It would be an exhaustion move, or at least I would suspect that it was, if the stock had been doing this and then started to run parabolic and then moves up like this on this huge volume. Well, that's not what happened. What's happened is the stock had actually been drifting sideways for a while. And by the way, folks that own this stock, they've known about this medical device. Me, I don't do this stuff. I didn't know about it, not my deal. But I do patterns all day long. And so when the stock starts popping, then I say, okay, well, this is a stock I want to be long. And then after the fact, after the stock starts moving, you let the other buyers do the work, drive the stock higher, and then as the stock is moving up, you look at it and say, I wonder why. I wonder why the stock is moving. That's when you get the news. That's how you really want to be trading. You trade the move and then figure out the news later, because if you just do the news, the issue that you're going to have is that the news is going to give you one bit of information, and if the stock's doing the opposite thing, you're going to be dealing with the news when what you really should be doing is just dealing with the way the stock is moving. So anyway, I want you to take advantage of these alerts. There are several more of them that went out today, and I'm actually setting several others in tonight's strategy session, so I want you to watch for those too, okay? Okay, that's it for this video. Members, I'll see you at the strategy session.